Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at Cash App Afterpay in 2025, what it is, how it works, and what's new this year. If you're shopping online or in store and thinking about using Afterpay through Cash App, this quick breakdown is for you. Afterpay is a buy now pay later feature that lets you split purchases into 4 payments over 6 weeks with no interest if you pay on time. Cash App now fully integrates Afterpay so you can browse Afterpay stores, check your spending limit, and manage payments right inside the app. In 2025, Cash App has made the process smoother. You can now search and shop from Afterpay approved brands directly in the Discover tab, get instant spending limits, set automatic payment reminders, track orders and returns in one place. It's available for online and some in-store purchases using your Cash App card. If you're already using Cash App, Afterpay can be a convenient tool for managing your budget. Just make sure to use it responsibly. Late payments can still lead to fees, and missing too many might lower your limit. That's your quick guide to Cash App Afterpay in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more easy breakdowns